At Renault, we aim to reinvent the mobility experience. Stay in touch with your car, control it from your smartphone, and prepare your trips thanks to My Renault application. And from 2022, Renault is introducing MyLink, a new infotainment system in the cars with Google built in. With Google Maps, navigation is now personalized based on your frequent destinations and has enhanced electric vehicle functionality. Access all your favorite apps on Google Play. Control your car features hands-free.
Hey Google, switch to Eco mode.
Sure, multi-sense is set up to Eco mode.
In the future, your car will learn as you drive and get customized to meet your needs. Your car will gain value over time. It will be constantly enriched with new features. MyLink, a more personal and intuitive experience by Renault, available from 2022.